Looking to beat the heat while working on your car or projects? In this guide, we'll help you find the best air conditioning for garage spaces, ensuring your workspace stays cool, comfortable, and productive all year round. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. EUHOMY Portable Air Conditioner. The EUHOMY Portable Air Conditioner stands out as a reliable, efficient, and feature-packed cooling solution for smaller to mid-sized areas, including garages. With its 8,000 BTU capacity, it effectively cools spaces between 300 and 350 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, dormitories, and particularly garages that tend to trap heat. It delivers a maximum wind speed of 290 meters cubed per hour and a cooling range that drops down to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a consistently cool and comfortable environment. One of its most notable features is the 16-foot air supply distance, allowing cool air to circulate effectively across the room. The unit is a versatile 3-in-1 appliance combining air conditioning, a dehumidifier, and a fan. It can remove up to 51 pints of moisture per day in dry mode, which is especially useful in humid garages. The 24-hour timer, sleep mode, and energy-efficient auto shut-up function offer convenience and cost savings. Installation is user-friendly, requiring minimal setup with a secure hose and window adapter for venting. Its intuitive control panel and remote control with the 23-foot range make operation effortless. Overall, the EUHOMY Portable Air Conditioner is a smart, practical choice for anyone seeking dependable and customizable cooling in their garage. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner delivers impressive performance and versatility, making it a solid choice for those needing reliable climate control in garages and larger rooms. This 4-in-1 unit boasts a 14,000 BTU AHRAI, 10,200 BTU SACC capacity and functions as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan. Its dual heating and cooling features make it perfect for year-round use, whether combating summer heat or providing warmth during winter months. Capable of cooling or heating rooms up to 700 square feet, it suits spacious areas like workshops, garages, and basements. A standout feature is its smart technology integration. Users can control the unit remotely via a mobile app or through voice commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Follow Me remote acts as a mobile thermostat for precise temperature regulation. The unit includes an easy-to-install window kit and a large vented airflow outlet for effective air circulation. Its compact, portable design with built-in wheels ensures easy movement between rooms. With multiple operational modes and Wi-Fi connectivity, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner provides exceptional value for anyone looking to maintain a comfortable environment in their garage throughout the year. Number 3. KoulSiln Portable Air Conditioner. The KoulSiln Portable Air Conditioner is designed for those seeking powerful, quiet, and hassle-free cooling in larger rooms or garages. Offering 14,000 BTU of cooling capacity, it efficiently cools spaces up to 700 square feet in just 15 minutes. Its 77-degree wide air outlet ensures rapid, even temperature distribution, making it ideal for combating intense heat in garages or workshops. Operating between 90 and 61 degrees Fahrenheit, this unit is both compact and energy efficient, delivering reliable performance while minimizing energy costs. KoulSiln's noise reduction technology makes it a standout, operating at whisper quiet levels as low as 48 decibels, perfect for light sleepers or maintaining a peaceful workspace. The 3-in-1 functionality includes cooling, fan, and dehumidifying modes tailored to different seasonal needs. Installation is simple, requiring no tools, just connect the hose, attach the window bracket, and plug in. The portable design, featuring 360-degree wheels and dual handles, allows effortless mobility. Additionally, the unit comes with an LED display, remote control with a 23-foot range, and an 8-hour sleep timer. Certified by DOE and backed by a warranty, KoulSiln offers dependable hassle-free cooling for any garage.
Number 4. Shinco Portable Air Conditioner. The Shinco Portable Air Conditioner offers solid, no-nonsense cooling performance, making it a dependable option for small to medium-sized garages and rooms up to 400 square feet. Delivering 12,000 BTU AHRAE of power, it effectively maintains a cool, comfortable environment even during the hottest summer days. The The unit features an adjustable temperature range from 60 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, giving users flexibility to set their ideal climate. Designed with 3-in-1 functionality, it serves as an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier, eliminating the need for multiple appliances. The intuitive LED display and 23-foot range remote control allow for convenient operation, while the 24-hour timer and swing function add to its versatility. For those seeking an affordable, efficient, and easy-to-use air conditioning solution for their garage, the Shinco Portable Air Conditioner is a worthwhile contender. Number 5. PQH Portable Air Conditioners. PQH Portable Air Conditioners provide an energy-efficient, affordable solution for anyone looking to cool their garage without inflating energy bills. Boasting a 10,000 BTU capacity, it efficiently cools spaces up to 450 square feet and delivers fast, effective temperature drops within seconds. Perfect for garages, dorms, apartments, and offices, its rapid airflow circulation ensures that every corner of the room remains cool and comfortable. This 3-in-1 unit offers cooling, fan, and dehumidifying modes to adapt to different climate needs throughout the year. Its portable design includes an extendable exhaust pipe, making setup straightforward and suitable for various window configurations. The PQH unit's combination of strong performance, easy usability, and affordable operation makes it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable air conditioning in their garage or other versatile spaces.